Hello, it's another food review. Today, this time, we found these. Where are they? I found these, look. Dr. Oetker. Dr. Oetker. Put in a mug. Look, put in a mug. Chocolate chip. What's this one? Sticky toffee. Rich chocolate. So we are going to do one of these today live on the air. We're going to film one. I'm going to do this one, this chocolate chip one. I think Adam tasted this one and he overcooked it. He put too much milk in. So all we need, my preparation, basically all we need is some milk, 4 tablespoons. Milk, tablespoon. We are definitely going to need the glasses, because have you seen how small that writing is on that? So I'm going to need the glasses on. And we need a 250ml mug. That is your bog standard mug, one of these, right? A bog standard. But for the purposes of the camera work, I'm going to use this thing. I'm going to use one of my new mugs that I've got for indoors. IKEA special. So we're going to use this. We need the microwave as well, so we'll have a quick read. So basically measure 60ml of semi-skim milk. That's approximately 4 tablespoons. So you want 60ml into a 250ml mug, as I've already explained. Something like that. It doesn't matter what size, does it? As long as it's not smaller, I think that's the point. Enter the contents into the mug and stir well until smooth. Alright, well let's give it a go then. Let's put the old 4 tablespoons of this milk. I'm not going to measure 60ml, that's too much faffing around. It says 4 tablespoons. That's a tablespoon, not to be confused with a teaspoon or a dessert spoon. It says tablespoon. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 of them in there. And then mix until it's smooth. So I suppose it's going to go all powdery. I'll have a look, when it's cooking, we'll have a little quick read through the old ingredients. So tip that in there like that. And give it a stir up till it's smooth. Maybe a little bit messy in it, so I don't know how smooth. And how can you get it smooth when it's chocolate chip? There's the stuff in there, look, mixing it up. Give it a good old mix out. Ugh. I don't know what these are going to taste like, but it's pudding in a mug. It's amazing, isn't it? Dr. Oetker. I don't know who he is. Obviously some cake making thing like the old Fanny Craddock or so. Who's that woman who does the old buttercream stuff then? Ooh. Get all the edges. Right, and then you put it in the microwave for 1 minute 30 seconds. Not with the spoon, but you know that. You don't need me patronising you for you pudding in a mug. Alright, I reckon that's enough. I wonder if that tastes like cake mix. You know everyone likes licking the bowl when you make a cake. Shall I have a taste? This is the raw mix. Oh, I don't know what it tastes like. Don't taste like anything. It's not looking good, is it, so far? Anyway, add the mix, all smooth. I'll wipe that up later. Microwave, 1 minute 30. You can see the microwave from there. Can I turn the camera without knocking the tripod over? There's the boy! Microwave, 1 minute 30. There we go. 1 minute 30. So on the packet, it says basic ingredients: chocolate chips, sugar, cocoa mass, fat reduced cocoa powder, whole egg powder. Look at where my camera angle is. It's terrible. Egg powder, wheat starch, egg white powder, and all this other stuff. Got quite a bit of fat in it. 2.7 grams saturated fat per cooked cake. Anyway, let's see if that microwave's done yet. Dr. Oetker. Have you heard of him? Dr. Oetker. I can't think of that other one who makes the cream. What that's called. There we go, boy. Oh. Now my microwave's actually a 900 watt. I've just checked it's a 900 watt. That minute and a half is for an 800 watt, so maybe I've dropped a little nug. Look at that. I think you're meant to just like eat out of the cup. Look at the steam. It does say, warning, mug and cake may be hot. So it gives you a little safety advice there. Oh look, it's like a big lump, so you could have it. Look at that. You could have it in a little bowl, and I'm wondering now as well, is it going to need a drop of custard? But let's give it a taste, just for you guys. See what that's like. It's going to be hot, isn't it? It's spongy. It's really spongy, look. It's like a proper sponge. I can't believe that a packet mix and a drop of milk has made a sponge. And not bad. It's not too sweet, but it definitely needs custard, fresh cream, squirty cream, creme fraiche if you're being healthy. But I quite like. I'm giving that 6.5, maybe even a 7 out of 10. I'm going to give that a 7 out of 10 for Dr. Oetker pudding in a mug. This was the chocolate chip one. I'm going to give that a fair 7 out of 10 because I'm amazed by the scientific process behind it. Come buy some. They're 50p in Sainsbury's at the minute. 50p, but there's only 5 types. They should do a golden syrup one. I love that golden syrup.